DAYO AMUSAN òṣèrébìnrin ilẹ̀ wa ti sọ fún kálukú kí wọ́n lọ ṣọ́ra wọn. Àwọn wo ni àwọn tó máa ń gbé ìròyìn òfegè nípa àwọn òṣèré ilẹ̀ wa tí wọ́n á sì máa sọ ohun tójú wọn ò rí nípa àwọn. DAYO AMUSAN ti kìlọ̀ fún wọn pé ẹni tó bá tún ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n máa fi ọwọ́ òfin gbé ni o. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
I'm using this medium to also tell all bloggers, writers, reporters, journalists, and then the so-called social media analysts, the celebrities and public figures that you think you can just, dive into our private lives and then start chanting trash. I'm saying this on behalf of myself and on behalf of my colleague. If you put out anything out there without making your findings, if you put out any misinformation out there, to defame our character and person, Badami, oh my big yeah, collectively, we will come after you, we will hunt you, and we will get hold of you and make sure, you understand, you pay for it. It is high time the social media space is being sanitized. Me, I no say make una no right within our own rights. I no say make una no put to write, create content where you won't create. I no say make you no pass information where you won't pass. You are free, now free world. But if you write waiting you are not sure of, if you don't get your facts, before you write nonsense, if you don't get your facts, before you put out any stupid, rubbish publication out there that you are not sure of, that you don't have facts to back up, my darling, I need you to understand that we are humans. Blood flows in our veins. As entertainers, we cannot take it upon ourselves to entertain and put smile on your face and make you happy. And all you people think is how to defame us, how to write stuff about us, all in the name of trying to, get revenue from your platforms. Le ma ro pe fe ma pa owó ẹ fẹ́ ma pa wa lẹ́kún kẹ́yìn ma fi pa owó kẹ́ dẹ̀ rò pé owó yẹn ẹ ma fi ṣe nǹkan re ẹ ma fi wo ẹjọ́ ẹ ma fi wo àrùn ẹ ma fi wo àìsàn. It is high time the social media space is being sanitized. So I no say make you no write what you want write. I no say make you no gbeborun. I no say make you no put one. Tete reyin tete pe rayin ní social media analyst te photo bí mo la fojú te popo oshi lórí Facebook lórí gbogbo àwọn social media platform. Ẹ ma jókòó te ma set ring light. Te ma sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbésí ayé aláyé bí ẹni pé ó ti o ẹjọ́ ń bá wọn gbélé. Te ma debate lórí ilé ayé aláyé bí ẹni pé ó ti o ó ṣojú yín. Tota yín ta báyìí. Èmi ò mọ̀ fún yín o but tá bá rí ẹnikẹ́ni ni mo sọ àti writer kan àti blogger àti whoever. This one no be cruise catching. Ariwo kọ́ ni music. Show ti yín. If with this so-called content creator, you see me make I come out, don't catch any cruise. I don't need them. But the guy himself, he sabi waiting they go on. You understand? Mo de ro ti kunle abiyamo. Torí mo niru ele. Mo niru e laburo. So ba kin ṣayé education àti bí pé bóyá èyàn ṣe kíní gan papa gan ma bí lọ́mọ because he's just 27 years old. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín. Show ti yín, èmi ò ní kẹ́ má kọ nǹkan tó bá wùn yín tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kọ. Mi ní kẹ́ má kọ nǹkan mi ò ná yín nǹkan tó bá wùn yín kẹ́ kọ. But make sure whatever you are writing is verified. Make sure you have your facts. Make sure you have evidence to back it up. Because if not, we will come for you. We will track you down. We will have you arrested and you will face the consequences of your actions unapologetically. Eléyìí ti lọ, ó lọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká dè mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. On a final note, okay? Because, yeah, like I said, I do my HIV status like every year. You understand? The last result I had was like 7 months ago. But just to satisfy your curiosity and just because I see some people that are asking me, she get abi she no get, ìyá yín ló máa HIV. HIV. So I'm still going to post my very recent results that is less than 48 hours. You understand? For whom it may concern. But at the same time, I'm still going to say what I have said. I am repeating again. It is very, very important as an individual to know your HIV status. Okay? It is very, very important for your sake and for the sake of your loved ones. It is very important for you to know your status. In case you realize that you're positive, it is not the end of the world. You can still, live a good life, even with the fact that you're living with HIV. You understand what I'm saying? But it is good for you to know. So that when you know, it is very, very important for you to seek medical help. It is very important for you to see a doctor, do the needful, get your medications, and of course, continue to live a good life and a well-protected life so as not to affect your loved ones and the beautiful people around you. Eshio, DAYO AMUSAN is HIV negative, and I still remain HIV negative. Hello, beautiful people. Good evening out there. Okay, I'm not going to take much of your time. I'm making this video as regards the pending issue about myself and the content creator that defamed my character and also, put out there wrong information about my HIV status, which has went viral, having people have different impression and their opinion about me. But then I did promise I was going to make him a scapegoat, which of course I did. But like I said, I'm not going to take much of your time. Along the line, I got to realize he just lost his mom. Along the line, I got to realize he's just a 27-year-old boy. Along the line, I got to meet a couple of his relatives, including his uncle lawyer. And along the line, they were, they actually reached out to some certain people I respect so much. And, okay, yeah, everybody was like, Dayo, this, blah, 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 blah. But I realized that in as much as I really, really want to make a scapegoat out of him, I don't see myself, having a 27-year-old boy with a bright future being remanded in prison, especially with the fact that he just lost his mom. So, well, I just felt the need to, withdraw, the charges against him, most especially now that, it's out there that if you misbehave on the social media platform, if you pass informations that are not verified, and want to for me. And like I said, I don't see myself, you understand, having a 27-year-old boy remanded in prison. So for that reason and some other reasons, I chose and I decided to withdraw the case, which I have done actually. But I believe in that little space of, back and forth in the last few weeks, he must have really, really, really learned his lessons. And for those of you that are still coming after me, telling me, he has apologized, blah, 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 calling me names, saying all sorts of, rubbish on the comment section. I saw some comments, from his post and all that. I don't blame you. So, and I don't owe you any edge. You get what I'm saying? So, anyway, to my friends, family, and fans out there, okay, so I felt the need to give you an update on how far it all went. And that I decided, you understand, to forgive him, and at the same time withdraw the case. You should go away on it, despite his stupidity and foolishness.
Kíkálukú ya sọ̀wọ́ agbẹjẹ́ mọ́wọ́ o, ẹ̀yin oníròyìn òfegè, ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.